Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. So in this video we are gonna look how we can add account on Tool4seller app. For that, just open the Tool4seller app. So after you opening the app, just go to the me option on the bottom right corner. You can see the me option right there. So when we reach here, we can see the switch account option on the top right corner. So just tap on the switch account option. And in the bottom here we can see the add account option. Just tap on it. So when you tap on it, here we can see the email or phone number right here. Just tap in here and just you can give your email right here, or you can add your mobile number right here. Also just give the password right here and then tap on the login option. So here we can sign in with Google, also with the X or Twitter. So this is how we're gonna add account on Tool4seller app. So I hope this video was useful for you. So just do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.